I got a question for you. When is the last time you actually cleaned or disinfected your phone? I'm assuming the answer is like never. Gentlemen, that changes today, but we need some supplies. Your phone, pixel, some rubbing alcohol, an empty spray bottle, and a microfiber cloth. So first things first, we need to make the cleaning and disinfecting solution. You should not put direct, straight rubbing alcohol onto your phone. It's got this like film or covering on the screen that it will damage, and so you need to dilute this 91%. Fill the container a third of the way up with the alcohol, fill the rest with water. Give it a shake to mix it up, and spray on a microfiber cloth. You do not want to spray directly onto the phone. Wipe down your phone, all right, with the alcohol, and then take the dry side of the microfiber cloth and dry it off, all right? You want to make sure that you do the entire phone, all right, not just the screen. The result is a squeaky clean screen and phone.